Hi everybody. In this quick video, I'll walk you through with the features of application lifecycle management and how it is useful for software development lifecycle. So this is an agenda for us. We'll have some quick introduction. We'll discuss about the features of application lifecycle management and the top ALM product vendors that we have and what are all the things that you need to consider when you're trying to purchase ALM software. Introduction. What is application lifecycle management or ALM are typically called by the people in software industry? It's a defined set of processes that govern how to organize a team or manage software development from concept to completion, from initial stage to complete the project. ALM tool help automate and streamline each stage in software development lifecycle, that is like planning, developing the software, testing it, deploying it in servers, and maintaining it further for any future changes. So these are the features. So the project management, it will help in streamline the task management, time tracking, resource management in terms of their scheduling, dashboards, reporting, and analytics. Requirements management, so define end user requirements or stakeholder requirements, break down further into actionable sequences for planning in backlogs and schedule iterations. Design and developments. Okay, track what are all the features that are in development in progress. Especially when we follow the agile methodology, where we follow the 2-week iterations or sprints, this will help us to frequently help and testing and review the software development progress. Bug tracking and quality assurance and testing. So this will help to process, track, and report the bugs in application, also called defect or issue management. Okay, document and track application testing is to ensure quality and functional meets of predetermined requirements. Next one is the important feature is the release management. Especially when you follow agile methodology, we'll have a frequent releases, probably for every 2 or 3 sprints, depends on the progress of the development that is being happened. Okay, the release management support application deployment, oversee the software release, intake of end user feedback and planning, initiating and maintenance and improvements on the application. Process review and optimization, monitor and audit various stages in software development lifecycle with the goal to optimize the processes, the building, testing, releasing, application performance, etc. Okay, let's see who are all the top software vendors or products available in the market. The first one I found is the Jira software, CA Clarity PBM, HP ALM, Microsoft TFSR, Visual Studio Team Services, IBM Rational. Okay, let's talk a quick information about the Jira software. It is from the Atlassian. This will support both Scrum and Kanban project management methodologies. Especially it is useful for the small scale development. Of course, it can be deployed for a full big organization or big software development teams by combining some more additional plugins that are available in the Atlassian marketplace. Okay, so it will closely integrate with the document management or content management system like Confluence. It is also from the Atlassian. HipChart and Portfolio for Jira. So there are a lot of product portfolio management plugins are available when you go to the Atlassian marketplace. And the cost wise, it's okay. So you have a lot of deployment options, purchase options. It would be like a per user license. The CA Clarity has a group of tools that will support the application lifecycle management. HP ALM also has a lot of products that will support application lifecycle management, project management, quality management or testing, application lifecycle intelligence, and it has the capability to integrate a lot of open source applications. The next one is Microsoft Team Foundation Servers. It's also called Visual Studio Team Services. It's especially useful when you are developing software on the .NET platform or the Microsoft Stack. Of course, it has capability to work on any kind of uh, software that you use to develop it, but it would be helpful. It has version control tools for agile teams. It will support both Kanban and Scrum, and it will support the CI/CD process like continuous integration and deployment, and it will support by IDE, the integrated development environment of Visual Studio. So teams can create and manage the projects both from agile and waterfall methodologies, of course, the Scrum Agile and Kanban methodologies. The next one is IBM Rational for collaborative lifecycle management. Okay, so as a team, this will help to develop and deliver quality softwares and services faster. Okay, so you need to consider following points when you're trying to purchase the application lifecycle management product or software. The technology that is being used in the software development, probably you can refer to the Gartner Magic Quadrant to choose the right software for you, and the deployment type. So if you're working on a large project, probably you can deploy on your own in your own servers. But for a small scale teams, it's a good idea to go for cloud because you don't need to invest a lot of money upfront for the infrastructure. Of course, you need to consider the number of users in your project. Okay, the first one is the technology. So choose the right ALM software, depends on the technology that is being used in your project. So if I would prefer, if you are using Java or PHP or any open source software to develop your product, then you go for Jira. It supports really well. But if you are developing in Microsoft .NET platform, it's a good idea to go for the TFS or Visual Studio Team Services. Of course, you have options to go for CA Clarity, HPALM, IBM Rational as well. So it depends on the cost and number of users, you can choose the right one. Okay, refer to Gartner Magic Quadrant. So you'll be able to understand a lot of ALM products that are available right now, that are trending right now in the market. Okay, finally, you can consider the on-premise versus cloud versus number of users. If you have a lot of users, if you want to save the cost, you can go for on-premise. But if it is a small scale or it's a middle size product or middle size application, then you can go for cloud. Okay, that will save you'll not be you don't need to spend any money upfront for set up the infrastructure. You just have to sign up and register your basic details and start the game of software development. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. I'll try to come back with more in future.